Hello, I'm Jason Hill, Director of Welding Technology here at NJC. I have over 25 years of welding experience, 15 of those years teaching at the college level. Here at NJC, you'll be able to safely set up 5 of the major welding processes: gas metal arc, shielded metal arc, flux core arc, gas tungsten arc, and oxyacetylene welding and cutting. During your time here, you will also learn to read welding blueprints, how to apply your welding skills to fabrication, and even graduate with a 10-hour OSHA safety certification and a welder performance qualification of your choice. Not only will you earn industry credentials, but you will also be able to enjoy flexible lab scheduling times, small class sizes for more one-on-one learning, and get a good feel for what it's like to work in the welding field. Here at the Career and Technical Education campus, we pride ourselves on welding education based on real-world experience. And with the expansion of our welding program, you too can experience what we have to offer. But you better hurry. Classes fill up quick. Hope to see you soon.